you like it? Go, go, come on. Well, you're not supposed to inhale the snow. Let's go. It's pretty deep, huh? Where'd you go? Come on. Oh, look at this. Let's go, Sam. Are you having fun? Let's go. Here comes the snow. Come. Here she comes. Run! Are you having fun? Huh? Girl, are you having fun? I think so. Come on, let's go. Let's go. She loves it. What do you got? Snow all over her nose. Look at her go. Come on. What? A lot of snow. It's almost up to your belly. Come on, let's go. Yeah, this is Ridgefield. This is where I live right now. So beautiful. Big trees. Cool dog. It's a lot of work walking in deep snow. Not for a dog though. Look at that. It's still snowing. There it is. And there it is, just dumping. Just snowing. There's my path to my door. Our bushes got crushed. So our walk is over. I'm tired. Are you excited? Did you like your snow walk? Chase your tail. Get it. Oh,